are here at 727 Loglog Kinalas kasi si Ryan gusto ng Kinalas. So, for one last time. This is our breakfast for today. Enjoy. Let's eat! May ginger. May ginger, malunggay. Tsaka medyo maasim siya. Siyempre, Bicol Express. May luya siya. Chop! Very lutong bahay. I love it. Puro baboy. Yay! Ay nga pala kay Tito dati kasi siya yung nag-recommend dito na kainan namin ng Kinalas. Ay, daming bawang. Egg, ayun. Ang daming egg. Yeah. This is it. Man, sarap. Sarap. O tara, interviewin nga natin si ate. O magki-kitchen invasion tayo. Hello! Hello! Ano yung niluluto?
Laing po.
Ang sarap!
Yummy talaga yan. Mia!
Hi, Ate Mia!
Ini-invite ko po kayo dito sa 727 Kinalas.
Guguloy natin yung may-ari. Ano po pangalan natin, sir?
Saldi Cortez po. Morning po.
Meron kasi kami dito kakilala na kaibigan po ng parent ko. Tinanong namin, saan pinakamasarap na Kinalas?
Wow.
Dito kami tinuro.
Pasado, boss. Pasado.
Pasado.
Okay, thank you
Pasado.
po. Thank you.
Pasado. Ayan,
Welcome
si
po,
Sir
welcome.
Saldi, ang ating 727 Kinalas.
Alright.
Yes. I'll continue eating. Meron pa kaming stop after this, so I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Si Annie may sakit, nasa kotse. So anyways, pahinga muna siya, kakain muna kami, and I'll see you sa next stop. Hi! Welcome back. So this is our last stop in our trip. Actually, we're here in Gumaca, Quezon. We had to eat before we go to some country. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Magkita-kita tayo ulit ha sa susunod. And don't forget, I still have a giveaway ongoing in this channel. All you have to do is like this video, comment down below, baka meron kayong mga suggestions sa akin na na-miss ko in this trip. Third, subscribe to this channel para naman updated kayo sa latest happening here on Beyond Things, where we talk all tea and a little bit of shade on tech, trends, travel, and taste. Diyos mabalos! Bye! We're going home. We took the old zigzag road. I think ito yung bitukhang manok keme.